Hello everybody, my name is Divyansh Agarwal and you are watching Suspicious Center. And today I'm going to show you how to install Amazing Spider-Man 2 on your Android device. So let's get started. So guys, here we are back at our home page. The first step you're gonna do is to just go to the link in the description and check it out and install the APK and data. After you install the APK and data, after that you're gonna go to ES File Explorer and then go to you can go to downloads. I have downloaded it from UC browser, so I'll go on it. Here you'll find both the apps. You have to install the APK, and then you have to open this and click on and hold on this, click on extract, choose paths, SD card, Android, OBB. Okay guys, you have to do the same thing which I have told you. After that you are done. You can restart your mobile. It's up to you. You can restart your mobile if you want to, but now let's see the gameplay. This Amazing Spider-Man 2. Okay. Okay. So guys, I'm on chapter 2. Let's play it up. This game is a bit laggy. So here's the game, guys. It's an awesome game. Guys, if your game lags just like this, like my game is lagging, now it is not lagging. But before, so if your game would lag, then you should. Then I will also show a good way through which your game will not lag a bit. Okay, guys, your game will not lag. Oh shit! Now watch this. I'll do the same thing with you, bro.
That was fun. Not. Spider-Man, if you hadn't shown up, I don't know what would have happened. Thank you.
Guys, as you can see, this is the hacked version. The link which I gave you is the hacked version, and it is updated also. Yours, you are. So let's see the another costume of Spider-Man which you have got. Equipped. All right.
How about this car?
Alright, bro. Like this game can lag when you will be between the buildings, but it will not lag surely. I'm promising you that.
Spider-Man! Hey, hey! Can you take me to the hospital?
And it will also lag a bit when you will go near to water or to pool. Screwed up. But right now it's not lagging.
Figure out what's behind this gang. Sorry, Spider-Man. The Russian mob threatened me.
This is too much. I know.
What is he doing here? Okay, who's next for a Spidey beatdown?
Alright. So guys, this was the Amazing Spider-Man 2, and I hope you liked my video. Keep watching, keep learning, and at last, thank you for watching.